I do like to be creative in my motions practice. And like I said, I'm all about putting it in writing, getting a chance to win on paper, and then getting another chance to argue that in front of the judge. And so one of my more out-of-the-box creative motions was, it was a rape case, and they routinely photograph your client's penis in a rape case. And you can object, but it's always gonna get photographed. And my issue was that I was told the prosecutor was then going to show that photo of the penis to the accuser and essentially say, you know, is this the penis that raped you? That kind of line of questioning, which what could be more leading than that? So I've never heard of anybody else doing that, but I was like, okay, well, you know, if they have to put suspects in a lineup to identify their face, then they should have to do that with his penis. And so I made a motion for a photographic lineup of penises, a six-pack of penises. And I made Fourth and Fifth Amendment arguments. I filed it, and everybody in the courtroom stopped to listen to me argue this motion. It was a very busy courtroom. Silence as I'm arguing for this photographic six-pack of penises. And the court, who's kind of an old school judge, an older man, been around, asked for me to approach at a sidebar and said, "Counsel, are you asking me for a dick pack?" And I said, "Yes, Your Honor. Yes, I am." And I left. And he said he thought about the motion. He said he thought it was very well articulated. He understood my concerns that just showing basically this genitalia to the accuser was going to make her accuse the person, my client, unfairly. Without, you know, if you only show somebody one photo, of course, they're going to identify that and say that's what committed the crime. And so he said he considered it very strongly, and he actually weighed all the reasoning on the record, went through about 10 or 15 minutes, but then ruled against me, said it's no different than having gang tattoos photographed, and that they weren't required to put gang tattoos in a lineup. But I did make arguments when I went through the six-pack that they would actually have to find substantially similar penises to put in the six-pack, both in color, pubic hair, girth, and length. I said, look, if you're going to do it, you have to do it right. And if the criteria for the six-pack of your face is, you know, these things have to be substantially similar, that's your job to do it too for the six-pack of penises. However, my motion was denied. But my client still got probation and did not actually end up with that charge on his record.